When it comes to home renovations, installing sliding doors in Austin homes has become a popular choice among homeowners. These stylish and functional doors offer a range of benefits that go beyond just aesthetics. Whether you're renovating an existing space or building a new home, sliding doors can transform the look and feel of your home while enhancing its functionality. In a city like Austin, where outdoor living and natural light are highly valued, sliding doors offer unique advantages that make them an ideal choice for modern homes. Maximizing natural light and scenic views. Austin's picturesque landscape and year-round sunshine are some of the city's most attractive features. Sliding doors provide an excellent way to bring the beauty of the outdoors inside by maximizing natural light. With larger glass panels than traditional doors, sliding doors allow more sunlight to flood into your living spaces, making rooms feel brighter and more inviting. In addition to bringing in more light, sliding doors also allow for better views of the outdoors. Whether you have a beautiful garden, a patio, or sweeping views of the Texas Hill Country, sliding doors create a seamless connection between the interior of your home and your outdoor environment. This makes your home feel larger and more open, which is especially beneficial in homes with limited space. Space efficiency. One of the standout benefits of sliding doors is their space-saving design. Unlike traditional hinged doors, which swing open and require ample clearance, sliding doors operate by gliding horizontally along a track. This means you don't need to worry about the door interfering with furniture, walls, or walkways. In homes where space is at a premium, such as in smaller rooms or apartments, sliding doors offer a practical solution that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. For Austin homeowners with open-concept living spaces, sliding doors can help to create a sense of flow and openness, especially when connecting the indoor and outdoor areas. They allow easy movement between rooms and make the most of your available space. Improved energy efficiency. While it may not be the first benefit that comes to mind, sliding doors can contribute to your home's energy efficiency. Modern sliding doors come with energy-efficient glass options that help keep your home cool in the hot Austin summers and warm in the cooler months. Many sliding doors are designed with double or triple glazing, which can reduce heat transfer and minimize the need for air conditioning or heating. Energy-efficient sliding doors also help reduce the amount of UV light that enters your home, protecting your furniture and floors from fading while keeping your indoor environment more comfortable. Given the intensity of the Texas heat, this can be a significant advantage when it comes to reducing your cooling costs. Easy access and enhanced outdoor living. Austin is known for its outdoor lifestyle, and many homeowners enjoy spending time in their backyards, whether it's for BBQs, relaxing on the patio, or enjoying the city's mild winters. Sliding doors make it incredibly easy to transition between your indoor living space and outdoor areas. With a simple glide, you can open up your home to your backyard, making entertaining guests or enjoying quiet moments outside a breeze. The wide opening provided by sliding doors offers seamless access to decks, patios, gardens, or pools. This level of accessibility is particularly useful for homeowners who host outdoor gatherings or want to maximize their outdoor living space. Sliding doors make it easier to move furniture and large items in and out of the house, which is a bonus when it comes to hosting parties or setting up outdoor activities. Sleek and modern aesthetic. Sliding doors are synonymous with modern, sleek design. Their minimalist frames and large glass panels create a contemporary, open look that complements a variety of architectural styles, from mid-century modern to contemporary or even traditional homes. By replacing a traditional door or even a window, sliding doors add a touch of sophistication and elegance to any room. Whether installed in a living room, dining area, or master bedroom, sliding doors can make a dramatic statement. In homes with a focus on clean lines and modern design, sliding doors can enhance the overall aesthetic appeal and create a sense of cohesion throughout the space. Additionally, they come in a variety of finishes and materials, such as wood, aluminum, and vinyl, allowing you to match the doors to your home's existing decor. Increased property value. Investing in high-quality sliding doors can increase the overall value of your home. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that feature modern, energy-efficient upgrades, and sliding doors are a sought-after feature. Not only do they provide practical benefits, but they also offer an attractive and stylish feature that can set your home apart in a competitive real estate market like Austin. When selling your home, sliding doors are likely to appeal to buyers looking for properties that offer a strong connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, especially in a city like Austin, where outdoor living is highly prioritized. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply looking to enhance your home's value for the long term, sliding doors can be a great investment. Low maintenance. Modern sliding doors are designed for easy maintenance. The materials used in these doors, such as vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass, are durable and weather-resistant, meaning they require minimal upkeep. The glass is easy to clean, and the sliding mechanism is typically low maintenance, needing only occasional lubrication to keep it running smoothly. For busy homeowners in Austin, this low maintenance feature is a huge bonus. With proper installation and care, your sliding doors can continue to function flawlessly for years without significant repairs or upkeep. Final thought. Installing sliding doors in your Austin home offers numerous benefits, from maximizing natural light and providing beautiful views to improving energy efficiency and enhancing your outdoor living experience. With their space-saving design, sleek aesthetic, and ease of maintenance, sliding doors are an excellent choice for modern homes. Whether you're looking to improve the functionality of your space, increase your home's value, or create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor areas, sliding doors provide a stylish and practical solution for homeowners in Austin.